Well, we finally got the bodywork done on the Camaro, and what I'm doing right now, I just actually got back from the local tire store out here in Moab, Utah, and had to get 3 inner tubes. I contacted the owner, Mr. UK, and told him we needed wheels and tires for this thing, because I'm about tired of airing a tire up and it lasts me this fucking long. And then I finally realized, you know what? I don't want to put brand new wheels and tires on this yet until after the car's done. So I think I bought 3 or 4 tires for this piece of shit already. Now these are 14-inch tires. So the deal we have is you're not going to find any 14-inch tires to fit these rims. This is a factory rim that possibly came on this car. Matter of fact, I know it came on this car because there's actually 5 of these that came with the car, meaning one of them was a spare. So what I did, I went ahead and I got, hang on one second please. I went ahead and bought some inner tubes.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
So the owner was claiming that he wants to have some, yeah, this is a disc brake setup. I think this is a brand new disc brake setup. This car's been here so long, how do I know? I don't know. It might be a disc brake setup that was factory, but being a 6-cylinder, I seriously doubt it. So, I also noticed I need to get a clip in here. Huh. Okay, we'll come back to that, because right now we're not doing mechanic work right now. What we are doing is getting this piece of shit on the ground so we can keep going with it. But like I was saying about the tires, let me get that tire on there. Okay. These are 14th. Now, the owner out in the UK has told me, I don't know how many times, but he says that he has to leave it basically stock factory original. He can't put any hot rod stuff on it because when he takes it over to the UK and registers it or whatever he has to do, he has to make sure that it passes certification, some special certifications and all this, or he's going to end up paying a lot more taxes and all kinds of other crap. So what I'm suggesting is that we need to leave these 14s on here until we actually get ready to ship the car. Now the owner says he wants 17s on it all the way around, and he also wants old school rally wheels, which is no problem. I actually found a company that makes the old school rally wheels, but they're aluminum. They're forged aluminum. They're either forged or they're cast or whatever the hell they are. Hang on one second. So another problem you have is getting these wheels. Now this is a 67 Camaro, and we got to get the right wheels that fit inside the fender wells to make sure it all clears. Do you see what I'm saying here? I don't want that wheel and tire sticking way out here when we had to special order this shit and there ain't no fucking refunds. So besides all that action, I'm trying to tell myself, I don't think we need to get any wheels and tires today. I think that should be out of the question. And what we really need to do is we need to really concentrate on getting this piece of shit in paint, getting all the mechanic work done, all the electrical, the brakes, and all the other shit before we even think about getting wheels and tires. It's not gonna, there it is. All right. Okay, now we're gonna take that down nice and slow. We got the front. Okay. Hold on 1 second here. And we got a jack stand over here. I forgot to take the jack stand out on the other side of the car. I was wondering why it's all jacked up like that. We got to get that jack stand out of the car before we can jack the car down. Okay. All right. All right, here we go. Let's get that out of there. All right, that's about it. I really seriously think that getting wheels and tires for this at this point would be a waste of money when we got other options and other things to do besides worry about putting wheels and tires on it right now. That's my conclusion on the wheel and tire situation, because let me tell you this, okay? I want the fucking thing gone, plain and simple. I want to get this bitch out of my shop, out of my sight. Do you understand what I'm saying? So we need to get motors, transmissions, and all this other bullshit before fucking wheels and tires even exist. Does that make sense, bitch?
Now's the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell. Comment below, because if you don't, this redneck cocksucker's going to be inside the bed sheets tonight when you go to bed. And yeah, redneck situation. Click, subscribe, the bell, and do it for my friend Pete. Show your support, or the cocksucker's going to show his. Damn it.
Hopefully, there you go, look at that. It wants to roll, away. There you go, bitch, there you go. So we finally got wheels and tires on the car that actually roll. Very fucking amazing after having this car in my possession for over 7 fucking years. And just to let everybody know, here's the other wheel. So these are the factory original wheels that came with the car. That would be the spare. I told the owner he ought to go ahead and just, hook it up with these bitches. Just bring it over there with these son of bitches and then, get some wheels and tires later down the line. But does the guy fucking listen to me? No. No, he doesn't. Okay? Nobody listens to my friend Pete because I'm a dumbass. I'm loud, I'm obnoxious, I cuss too much, and I'm a piece of shit, is what I am. That's all I can tell you. Don't take my fucking word for it, okay? Take the magazine's word for it that you're reading the ad in. All right? Or the internet site where you want to order these fucking things. I don't know. So the bodywork's done. Let's go over here. I want to show you what we're going to do next. So what I got to do next is I got to clear this room out, and I got to get that Camaro over on this side. We got to get this stuff out of here. We got to clean all this bullshit up. All right, I'm in the middle of building my paint booth. A lot of this shit goes to that. We got a lot of excessive crap going on. We got to get the Mustang over on the other side so we can get on the bodywork on that son of a bitch. Get the Camaro over here and start spraying polyester primer. What a fucking mess. What a diabolical scrap iron yard mess we got. This is going, hold on a minute. We got, somebody's calling. Let's see what we got here. Hold on. Okay. All right. Southwest, hello.
Hello, is this Pete?
Hello.
Hello, is this Pete?
Yeah, this is Pete. What's going on, buddy?
Hey, Pete, I'm the owner of a street beast car.
Okay, what kind of bad news you got for me today, bud?
I ain't got no bad news, dude. I love my car.
Okay, what's going on?
All right, what I need to know. I have the 8.8 Mustang.
Hang on 1 second, buddy. Please.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you got me in the middle of really working hard over here. All right, what's going on, partner? What do you need?
Well, what I need is I've got a street beast.
Yeah.
Full coupe.
Uh-huh.
And I've got the 8.8 Mustang rear end, and I set it up just like you did in the video with the drag bags and the coils and the shocks.
Right. What about the sway bar? Did you get a heavy duty sway,
Got
1 inch
it.
sway bar?
I got it in.
Okay.
Next question. How big a wheel can I get underneath there?
Okay, so we're talking wheels and tires today.
Right.
Okay, you can go ahead and put 20s under there, but you got to have the right offset, sir.
What offset does it
Okay,
have?
what you need to do is what I usually normally end up doing is I put 17s on them.
That's what I want to
Okay,
put on it.
I usually put 17s in the front and the back and 16s in the front. Okay, we're over here talking, this is a wheel day today. You called at the right time. We're over here talking about wheels. Call Budnick Wheels. Listen to me. Budnick Wheels out in California. Can you remember that?
Yeah, butt neck, okay.
Call them up and tell them I was talking to Pete over there at Southwest Riding Custom. He specializes in the street beast cars and he's ordered a lot of wheels from you. I need to get the offsets on those wheels and possibly order some from you. And you mention my name, they'll cut you a good square deal. Okay, buddy?
All right, thank you, Pete.
Yeah, you take care, partner.
All right, good.
Okay, there you go. You see? You see what I'm talking about here, folks? It's a wheel fucking situation. Everybody wants wheels now. You know, what am I supposed to do? Do I got to make the motherfuckers for you too, besides put them on the car? Do I got to go buy your lug nuts for you? Do I got to get the inner tubes? I ain't paying for them fucking inner tubes. Guarantee you Mr. UK will be paying for inner tubes, bitch.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.